In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can export design files into Plecs. So the design has been generated by PowerForge, and we want to continue in the workflow. We want to simulate the circuits, and we can use Plecs to go further. So now, how do we do this? We are taking the example of a 50 kilowatt converter, in that case a 3-phase DC-AC. Well, it's very simple. We can click on the Plecs button, and by doing this, we'll have the file, the Plecs file, directly saved on the computer. So we save it. Okay, so here this is a zip file, so we want to unzip it to work more conveniently. Now, what do we have? We have a README file. This is the first thing we want to do and see what is in this package. So we have the Plecs, which is the simulation file. We have the mat file, which is where you will find all the parameters, and the XML, where you have all the energy curves on conduction and switching. Okay, so first thing we do is to open the simulation file generated by PowerForge. We don't have any license installed on this computer, so we can perfectly do with the demo version. And this is what we get. We get a ready-to-use file and a design which has been provided by PowerForge. So let's play a bit with it now. We can start the analysis. By starting the analysis, there will be all the computations on the waveform. So this is something we can look in the background. Here we can notice that we have the same voltage level. So remind that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this example, this is also something we can look at here on the macro cell level. In terms of voltage, we find the same voltage level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the first level of information. Now what we can do is to also look at the losses. Here on Plecs we have 522 watts. On PowerForge we have 592. Okay, there is a difference here, but this is due to the way it is being calculated. But somehow we find consistent result. This is really what matters here. And the designer can continue the design here starting from this point. There is no need to draw additional block diagrams or additional schematics. It's already done by PowerForge. Now let's see and look how we can play with the energy curves. We are going to Plecs preferences, and we are going to add the file that we have just downloaded. Okay, so this is this folder. We select the folder, we apply, and OK. All right. Now we go to Window, Thermal Library Browser, and this is where we can find the switches with the energy curves that have been transferred by PowerForge. So we find the turn on, turn off, and conduction losses here. Okay, all this information which are also very helpful for the designers to continue in their workflow. Okay, so we presented you this very useful functionality, which is to export files from PowerForge and to make it ready to use directly in Plecs. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more, you can visit our website, powerdesign.tech. You can also follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.